you happen to be arrested for DUI, there are a few things you need to know. First, it's gonna be okay. Breathe. You'd be surprised how much simply breathing will help the situation and your nerves. Next, always be respectful to the officer. There is no need to make matters worse or run the possibility of additional charges. Understand you do not have to take a field breath test. You do not have to take a field sobriety test where you have to walk and turn or stand on one leg. You only have 10 days from the date of your arrest to preserve your immediate driving privileges. The most important thing is to call your attorney as soon as possible because time is of the essence. I need to get to work on your case right away to provide you with the best opportunity to avoid a DUI on your record. I know it's a frightening and scary experience, but having a good attorney on your side is the best way to alleviate that fear. Our experience and successes have let us know what to expect and the best ways to craft your defense. DUI is a very serious charge. I do not recommend going it alone. The best ways to prevent being arrested for DUI are 1. Don't drink and drive, and 2. If you have consumed alcohol, have a designated driver who is sober.